Welcome. If you're looking to make your daily routine just a little easier by automatically starting the Facebook app when you sign in on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to enable this handy feature with the latest Facebook app update. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Facebook app already installed on your computer. If you haven't updated it recently, check for updates to ensure you have the newest version, as this feature is available only in the latest release. Go ahead and open the Facebook app. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. It's the Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a set of additional features and settings. From the menu that appears, find and select App Info. This will take you to a new window where you can access all the details and settings related to your Facebook app. Here, look for the section labeled Settings and click on it to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Start App when you sign in. This is the feature we're looking for. If it's not already turned on, simply click the toggle switch next to it. Once activated, the Facebook app will automatically launch every time you sign into your PC, saving you the hassle of opening it manually every time you want to check your feed or messages. Remember, you can disable this option at any time by revisiting the Settings menu and toggling it off. This way, you're in complete control of how and when Facebook runs on your device. That's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you've now enabled the Facebook app to start up automatically whenever you sign in. Enjoy a more seamless and connected experience every time you use your PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit and keep exploring for more quick tech tips. Thanks for joining me today.